I am Mr. K. Himaja, lecturer in EEE department, working as a faculty in SRRS Government Polytechnic Sirisilla. Now this is the part 9 of electrical estimation and utilization for taking EEE 5th sem students. So the material requirement for big office building, electrical lab, big industry, big hotel, wiring layout of 2-bedroom building and single line diagram of a machine shop. Objectives: wiring layout of big office building, wiring layout of workshop, electrical lab, wiring layout of big industry, milk dairy, cement factory or sugar factory, wiring layout of big hotel with 4-stored building. Now, wiring layout of office building. The following load is assumed in a model office building: manager room, 2 fans, 160 watts, 3 lights, 180 watts, 1 socket, 100 watts. The socket also rating as 5 amps. 15 amps means it becomes 1000 watts. The total 440 watts. Wiring layout of office building: ground floor having 4 rooms, each room having the following light load: ground floor having 4 rooms, each room having the following light load: 2 fans, 160 watts, 3 lights, 180 watts, 1 socket, 100 watts. Total 440 watts. The total light load in ground floor 4 into 440 is equal to 1760 watts. First floor having 3 rooms, each having the following light load: 3 fans, 240 watts, 3 lights, 180 watts, 1 socket, 100 watts. Total 520 watts. The total light load in first floor 3 into 520, so 1560 watts. GF and FF having the following power loads: power points 6, 3 in each floor, ACs 2. Next, division of load among various sub-circuits. Total light load and number of points. Manager room 6 points, 440 watts. Ground floor 24 points, 1760 watts. First floor 21 points, 1560 watts. Total power load and number of points. Ground floor 3 points, 3000 watts. First floor 3 points, 3000 watts. AC points 2 points, 2000 watts. Connection diagram. RYB, red, yellow, blue, comes to three-phase distribution point. Next goes to ICTPN. ICTPN. These are the different points. Wiring layout of workshop. Details of workshop load. Left side, paint shop 5 kilowatts, black smith shop 5 kilowatt, foundry shop 3 kilowatt, 2 motors 6 kilowatt. Right side, drilling load 5 kilowatts, annealing load 5 kilowatts, planing machine 10 kilowatts. So details of the workshop load. Next continuation. 60 amps, 500 volt, 3 phase, ICTPN. 30 amps, 500 volt, 3 phase, ICTPN. 3 phase, 4-way distribution box, 30 amps, 500 volt left side load. Similarly, in the right side load, instead of 4-way, 3-way DB box. So 3 phase, 3-way DB, 30 amps, 500 volt, right side load is present. Next one. So this lab is taken to both AC and DC machinery. The wiring layout of electrical lab. A rectifier unit is required to meet the DC load, and its rating depends on total DC load. Next one. Separate ICTPN switches are used for AC and DC machinery. Each DC motor is provided with a separate ICDP and starter. Each 3-phase motor is provided with a separate ICTPN and suitable starter. Next one, 3-phase AC motors wiring layout. So in each phase, one starter is present. AC motor, so AC starter is there. Now this is the figure RYB. AC control panel, AC starter connected to machine 1. Similarly, machine 2, machine 3 and machine 4. In each phase, one starter is connected. Similarly, DC motors wiring layout RYB. Rectifier unit, control panel for DC supply. So DC starter, DC starter, DC starter and DC starter, DC mission 1, DC mission 2, DC mission 3 and DC mission 4. In each machine phase, one starter is connecting. Next one, wiring layout of big industry. Total load, compressor units of furnaces, 3-phase 400 volt, 3 numbers washing machines having a total load of 50 kilowatts, grinder machines 25 kilowatts, sender machines 3-phase 400 volt 50 kilowatt. So this is for big industry. Next, division of load of big industry. 33 kilovolt by 11 kilovolt 5 MVA power transformer is required. Individual circuits are provided for each section of load. Washing machines, grindings and sender machines are provided with a separate ICTP and suitable starter. Main ICTP distribution board and individual ICTP current ratings depends upon load of each machine. Wiring layout of big industry. So this is the wiring layout of big industry. Compressor motors, RYB, generator, sending machines, ICTP for washing machine 1, washing machine 2 and washing machine 3 and ICTP for furnaces, ICTP for compressor motor. So this is the wiring layout of big industry. Next one, wiring layout of milk, dairy, cement factory and sugar factory. Now, so for a cement factory or milk dairy, cement factory or sugar factory, every factory is to be provided with a independent substation, generator, circuit breaker, control panel, DBs and ICTPs. Any industry or factory contains number of three-phase motors and single-phase motors. Every three-phase motor is provided with a separate ICTP and suitable starter. Single-phase motor load is equally distributed among all phases and separate ICDP and DOL starter is provided for each single phase motor. Wiring layout of factory. So this is a wiring layout for a small factory. Generator. The voltage is stepped down from 11 kV to 440 volt. Transformer rating 250 kVA. Changeover. OCB. ICTP. Here loads are 4 types assuming lighting load, AC units, AC motors and compressors. So in each phase place one ICTP. Next, wiring layout of a big hotel. 4-stair building with lift. So main ICTP is provided for main control and individual ICTPs are provided in each floor. Separate ICTP and starter are provided for the lift and water pump. Wiring layout of a big hotel. Now this is the wiring layout of a big hotel. Total 4 floors are present. In each floor, place one ICTP. The voltage is stepped down from 11 kV to 440 volt. Transformer 100 kVA. Generator. So now we are studied the wiring layouts of office building, workshop, electrical lab, big industry, factory and big hotel. Next one. Generally these are the important questions they are asking frequently. Draw the wiring layout of office building. Draw the wiring layout of a big industry. Draw the wiring layout of a big 4-storied hotel building and propose the rating of transformer required. Next, draw the wiring layout of a cement industry and propose the rating of transformer required. Objectives. Wiring layout of 2-bedroom building. Wiring layout of and single line diagram of a machine shop. Next one. Wiring layout of two-bedroom house. Now this is an important question for you. Now this is the 2-bedroom house. 2-bedroom house. Now this is the wiring layout of 2-bedroom house. Wiring layout of 2-bedroom house. Room 1. Total light load points: lamp L1 60 watts, fan F1 80 watts, one fan for room 1, tube light 40 watts, socket 100 watts. Total power load points: power socket 1000 watts for 15 amps. This is the rating. Similarly, room 2, total light load points. Similarly, lamp L2 60 watts, fan 80 watts, tube light 40 watts, socket 100 watts. Total power load points 1000 watts. Similarly, for room 3, total light load points 60 watts, fan 80 watts, tube light 40 watts, socket 100 watts. Total power load points: power sockets 2 are present, so P3 and P4 2 into 1000 2000 watts, means for each socket 1000 watts. For 5 amps 100 watts, for 15 amps it is 1000 watts. Wiring layout of 2-bedroom house. So total load on sub-circuit 1, means room 1, 5 points, so total 320 watts. Sub-circuit 2, room 2, total 6 points, 420 watts, means F1, L1, L2, S2, F2 and T2. The load on sub-circuit 3, P1, P2, 2 points, 15 amps rating, so 2000 watts. The load on sub-circuit 3, P3, P4, 2 points, 2000 watts. Now this is the wiring layout of 2-bedroom house. So in each room, F2, T2, S2, L2, P2. For bedroom 2, so bedroom, again other bedroom P3, L3, F3, P3, S3 and T3 are present. Next, single line wiring diagram of a machine shop. ICTP main and dB of suitable current rating is to be used for complete control of all the machines. All the motors are provided with a separate ICTP and suitable starter. 3 separate single core cables or 3 core cable can also be used for wiring. Single line wiring diagram of a machine shop. Type of starters used for various motors up to 7.5 HP AC motor. DOL starter is used using 7.5 HP to 15 HP AC motor. Starter delta starter is using above 15 HP AC motor. Auto transformer starter is used. Next one, layout of machine shop. So MB 3 HP, 5 HP, ICTP plus starter, and ICTP plus starter is using heights of dB, MB and SP. So roof level MB and dB with main ICTP and cutout 1.5 meter. Motor ICTP and cutout plus starter 3 meters. From the ground level to roof level is 3.5 meter. Next one, single line diagram. Next one, 3 HP motor is provided with a separate ICTP and DOL starter. DOL means direct online starter. 5 HP motor is provided with separate ICTP and DOL starter. Output runoff DOL starter carries 3 wires. So just we are discussed about the wiring layouts of for 2-bedroom house, wiring layout and single line diagram of machine shop. So just the frequently asking questions. Draw the wiring layout of a given 2-bedroom residential building and estimate the number of sub-circuits. Draw the single line wiring diagram for given set of machines in a given machine shop. Type of wiring system and lighting requirements. Calculating size of wire. Materials used for machine shop. Quantities, cost of materials used for machine shop. Estimation of materials used for machine shop. Next one, selection of type of wiring system and lighting requirements. Surface metal conduit wiring is suitable for machine wiring. Surface wiring facilitates easy inspection and fault detection. 19 mm metal conduit is used for 3-wire run. 25.4 mm metal conduit is used for 6-wire run. Lighting load is installed in a separate phase. Next one, selection of type of wiring system and lighting requirements. Uniform lighting is to be provided in all machine shops. A space height ratio of 1:2 is to be maintained for good illumination. Shadows have to be avoided to reduce accidents. Layout of machine shop. Now a simple example. 2.5 meter 3 HP and 4 meters 5 HP. Here in machine shop 2 HPs are placing. One is the rating of 3 HP and another one is 5 HP rating. So now 3 HP, the distance is from MB is 2.5 meter and from 3 HP to 5 HP the distance is 4 meter. MB is the main board, CB is the control board. Wiring layout of machine shop. General lighting is also to be added to local lighting in all working areas to prevent shadows. Lighting used should have all colors in its spectrum. Incandescent and fluorescent lamps are suitable for lighting in the working areas. SV and MV lamps are suitable for outdoor lighting within the factory or firm. Wiring layout of machine shop. Some of the assumptions. The main switch, motor switch and starters are assumed to mounted at a height of 1.5 meter from the ground level. Height of horizontal run from ground level would be 2.5 meter. The cost of starter and motor is not to be included in the estimate. Motor efficiency may be assumed as 85% and power factor to be 0.8 lag for all motors. So next one, calculation of conductor size. Full load current of 3 HP motor. 3 into 735.5 means here conversion from horsepower to watts. 1 horsepower is equal to 735.5 watts. So full load current of 3 HP motor is equal to 3 into 735.5 by root 3 into 400 into 0.85 into 0.8. We will get the answer as 4.68 amps. Similarly, 5 HP motor. Full load current of 5 HP motor is equal to 5 into 735.5 by root 3 into 400 into 0.85 into 0.8. 7.806 amps. Size of cable for 3 HP motor. Load current 4.68 into 2 is equal to 9.36 amps. From current rating tables, the size of the cable selected is 2.0 square mm single core 600 volt grade PVC wire. Size of motor main is 16 amps 500 volt ICTP. Number of earthings required is 1. Next one, size of cable for 3 HP motor. Load current 7.806 into 2 equals to 15.6 amps. From current rating tables, the size of the cable selected is 2.5 square mm single core 600 volt grade PVC wire. Size of motor main is 16 amps 500 volt ICTP. Number of earthings required is 1. Now the size of conductor between MB and DB is 4.0 square mm. Size of the main switch 32 amps 500 volt ICTP. Size of the distribution board 2-way 32 amps 500 volt. Length of 25.4 mm diameter HG conduit required is EM to main 0.3 meter say 0.5 meter. Now this is the single line diagram 3-phase EM DB ICTP ICTP DOL ICTP DOL 3 HP and 5 HP. Two motors are using 3 HP and 5 HP. Starter is DOL direct online starter. So MB to CB is equal to 1 plus 2.5 plus 1, 4.5 meter. Motor switch to starter is 0.3 meter. Starter to motor 1.5 plus 0.25 plus 1 plus 0.25 plus 0.53 meter. Total 7.8 meters is present. Now this is the single line diagram 3 HP. MB to CB 4.5 meter. So 1 plus 2.5 plus 1. Next one similarly. Length of the 19 mm diameter HG conduit. MB to CB 1 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 1, 8.5 meter. Motor switch to starter 0.3 meter. Starter to motor 1.5 plus 0.25 plus 1 plus 0.25 plus 0.5, 3 meter. So total becomes 11.8 meters. So for 3 HP, the total conduit is 7.8 meters. For 5 HP, it is 11.8 meters is required. Wiring layout of machine shop. Total length of 19 mm diameter HJ conduit 7.8 plus 11.8, 19.6 meters. 10% wastage means 1.96 meters. Total length required 21.56 meters means assume 22 meter. Length of 19 mm flexible conduit 0.5 plus 0.5, 1 meter. Length of 4.0 square mm cable, 0.5 into 4, 2 meters. 10% wastage for connections, 0.2, say 3 meter. Length of 2.5 square mm cable means 11.8 plus 0.5, 12.3 meter. Next to 12.3 into 3, 36.9 meter. 10% wastage for connections, 3.69 meter. So total becomes 40.59 meter. So assume it is approximately 41 meter. Length of 2.0 square mm cable, 7.8 plus 0.5, 8.3 meter. Next 8.3 into 3, 24.9 meter. 10% wastage for connections, 2.49 meter. So total 27.39 meter. So assume approximately 28 meter. Now 8 SWG HDBC wire for earthing, 23 meter. Now schedule of materials. In each column represent one of the specification, serial number, material specification, quantity, rate, cost, remarks. First one, ICTP 32 amps, 500 volt, one number. The quantity required is 1, rate 200. So the total cost becomes 200. ICTP 32 amps, 500 volt, one number. Rate, the price is 200. So the total quantity, the total cost becomes 200. Two-way 32 amps, 500 volt dB, one number, 180 rupees. So the total cost becomes 180 rupees. Fourth one, 19 mm diameter HG conduit, 880 rupees. So 22 meters are required. So the cost is 40 rupees per meter. Next one, 19 mm flexible conduit, 1 meter, 18 rupees per meter. So the total cost becomes 18 rupees. 25.4 mm flexible conduit, 1 meter, 20 rupees per meter. So the total cost is 20 rupees. Seventh one, 2 square mm copper PVC cable, 28 meters, 3.50 per meter. So the total cost becomes 98 rupees. Next one, 8, 2.5 square mm copper PVC cable, 41 meters. So 4 rupees per meter. The total cost becomes 164 rupees. Next one, 4 square mm copper PVC cable, 3 meters, 7 rupees per meter. So the total cost becomes 7 3 21 rupees. Angle iron frame, 50 into 30 centimeter, 3 numbers. So the cost is 150 rupees each. The total cost becomes 450 rupees. 11th item, conduit bends, 19 mm, 3 numbers required, 3 rupees each. The cost becomes 9 rupees. Saddles, 19 mm. The quantity required is 60. 6 rupees a dozen, so the total cost becomes 72 rupees. Wooden gutties, 60 rupee, 60 quantity, 5 rupees a dozen, so the cost is approximately 60 rupees. Wood screws, 25 one box, 40 rupees per box, so the total cost becomes 40 rupees. 8 SWG earth wire, 23 meters, 6 rupees per meter, so the total cost becomes 78 rupees. Earthing pipe, 38 diameter, 5 meters, 30 rupees per meter. The total cost becomes 150 rupees. Coal, 50 kg, 10 rupees per kg, so the total cost becomes 500 rupees. Your coal is using for earthing. Salt, 50 kg, 5 rupees per kg, the total cost 250 rupees. Funnel with wire mesh, 2 numbers, 15 rupees each, the cost becomes 30 rupees. Nails, 1 kg, 50 rupees per kg, so the total cost is 50 rupees. Civil engineering works, earthings, 2 numbers, so 2 members are required, so the total cost 200. Caution plate means danger plate, it becomes 20 rupees. Shock treatment chart, 1 quantity required, it is 50 rupees. Lugs, nuts, bolt, etc. 17 rupees. Labor charges, 500 rupees. Total 4,277 rupees. Contingency charges, 427.7. Grand total 4,704.7 rupees. So total 4,700 rupees. Now we are discussed about the type of wiring system and lightning requirements. Calculating size of wire. Materials used for machine shop. Quantities, cost of materials used for machine shop. Estimation of materials used for machine shop. So totally we are discussing about the big office building, electrical lab, big industry, big hotel, wiring layout of 2-bedroom building, and a single line diagram of a machine shop. What is the material required? We are calculated, and estimation of how many quantities are required. And also the wiring layout of 2-bedroom building, wiring layout and single line diagram of a machine shop. And finally, type of wiring system and lightning requirements. Calculating the size of wire. Materials used for machine shop. Quantities, cost of materials used for machine shop. Estimation of materials used for machine shop. So we can expect the essay questions as the wiring layout of 2-bedroom house, wiring layout of small workshop, and also wiring layout of 4 staircase wiring with lift. These are the important questions and also expected essay questions from electrical installation and estimation. Now, today we are completed the chapter 1. Thank you for watching this video.